So today we're jumping into something really cool. It's an initiative that's trying to figure out the future of tourism by asking, well, pretty much everyone. It's this awesome project right at the crossroads of travel, tech, and who knows, maybe even your next big idea.
I mean, what is the future of tourism even going to look like? Will we have an AI plan our entire vacation down to the minute? Are we going to be exploring ancient ruins through augmented reality on our phones? These are massive questions. But what if the answers don't come from some stuffy corporate boardroom, but from a huge global community of people who are actually passionate about it?
Well, that is the exact idea behind a new project called TMCT Talks. It's this worldwide initiative that's all about gathering voices from every single corner of the tourism industry to map out what's coming next together. So what is it exactly? Well, think of TMC Talks as the community-powered opening act for the big Tourism Management and Computing Technologies Conference happening in 2026. The whole point is to create this space for everyone in tourism and hospitality to share their biggest, boldest ideas about technology and AI.
And they really do mean everyone. This is not just for academics in ivory towers. No, they're calling on researchers, teachers, students with those totally fresh perspectives, entrepreneurs who are out there making things happen, and seasoned pros who've seen it all. The goal is to get all these different viewpoints in the same virtual room.
And the whole philosophy behind it is built on 3 pillars. Keep it simple, make it inclusive, and let it be inspiring. The idea is to just get rid of any and all barriers so that all that's left are just brilliant ideas.
But this isn't just about collecting a bunch of random videos for fun. Nope. All of this feeds into a much larger vision, a collective purpose with some really specific, ambitious goals. And they're not shy about their ambitions. First, they want to build a global video library, kind of like a TED Talks, just for the future of tourism. Second, they want to spark some real debate between different fields. Third, share knowledge and best practices that actually work in the real world. Fourth, get everyone super hyped for the main conference. And finally, and this one is huge, to finally build a real bridge over that gap between academic research and what's actually happening on the ground in the industry.
And the focus is laser sharp on the cutting edge. They're tackling the heavy hitters of new tech. We're talking artificial intelligence, augmented reality, big data, robotics, and even blockchain. Basically, this is all about defining what is just around the corner.
Okay, so you might be thinking, this sounds fantastic, but it also sounds like a ton of work. Well, this next part, it's pretty much designed just for you.
2 minutes. That's it. That is the entire commitment. If you have an idea, a thought, something you've seen or experienced, all you need is 120 seconds to share it. Making it that accessible is really the secret sauce to this whole project.
And the process itself couldn't be simpler. Seriously, it's just 2 steps. First, you record your idea. You don't need a fancy studio or anything, your phone, your laptop, whatever works. Second, you share the video. That is literally it. The focus is 100% on the quality of your idea, not the quality of your camera.
So you see, the focus starts to shift. It's less about the initiative itself and more about the ideas that are going to fuel it. It's not about what they're building anymore. It's about what you can bring to the table.
Because at the end of the day, your perspective is a vital piece of this whole global puzzle. It doesn't matter if you're a student with some wild, out-there concept or a hotel manager who's been in the trenches for decades. Your voice adds a unique and totally necessary part of the conversation about where tourism is headed.
And that really just leaves us with one final thought. With a platform this open and a barrier to entry this low, the only real question left to ask is, what idea are you going to share?